King Mike D Games coming at you with a quick video. This one's going to be a short one. As you guys can see, I'm getting ready for work. Yeah. My job haven't closed down yet. So they said maybe sometime this week it will. So this is just a quick video to see and just touch bases with everybody. See how everybody's doing. Hope everybody's feeling well. I also want to know what you guys are going to be doing. If you guys have left work yet, let me know. I just want to know, see where everybody is. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what's going on in your town. Let me know what you guys plan on doing for these next couple weeks, maybe months. Who knows? Me, myself, when I eventually do get off of work, I'm going to be building my gaming PC, which I've been talking about for the last 2 years. So I'm finally getting everything together to be able to do that so I can stream for you guys. So this whole time I'm off work, I'm going to be streaming for you guys. I want to be streaming, going hard. I'm at 951 subscribers, almost at 1,000. But that's not the important thing. I'm going to get those watch hours up. So I'm going to be with you guys more. I like talking with you guys, interacting with everybody. It's been fun. If you guys see me looking like this, it's because something crazy is happening on the TV, and I'm focused. So, yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Are you guys scared? Are you nervous? Are you guys all supplied up? And, yeah, what's going on in your town? If you guys don't know, I'm in Los Angeles, and it's been rising out here. The virus has been rising out here significantly. I think there's 50 new cases just yesterday. And it's getting crazy out here. The grocery stores the lines are out the door every single morning. And the thing that sucks is I get off kind of late in the evening. So by the time I get off, everything is gone. So it's not a good look. But we're open because my boss is kind of selfish. I'm not going to get into that video right now because he said some stuff I was just like, what? But anyways, let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what you will be doing, all right? Peace out. I love you guys. Be safe. Be diligent. And be very careful out here, all right? Just make sure, because people are going to start losing their minds. So when food gets scarce and money, which money really does not, here's the crazy thing. I'll make this one last point. Money in this situation will not change anything. Where are you going to spend it at? Most things are going to be closed. What are you going to do? Just think about that. Money will not change anything. So always keep that in mind. Peace out. Love you guys. Have a great one.